Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV. A beer dirty crosses you have over here, so you know. Me go watch it though, but a beer dirty crosses them, yeah.
That girl in real life with her cute face. Me never want her, man, and I'm my type of girl. Nigga, please. I never go over there, you know. Guys, I say what bagga and then all rub me over one place. I'm not interested. Like, it's just disgusting. Like, the whole thing just fucking disgusting, and it's not where I need to be. I'm just trying to go over there because them can't style because me none of them no look like blood clot me and none of them not live no life. The whole of them sit up on the internet all day and just do fucking nothing but sit on the internet and do the same shit ever. Me did up on the internet, me a war because I'm me a war for my people them. Me never sit up on the internet and just step on the internet and be a fucker, link up with people and do fucker to mix up happen. Cause that's all them do. Link up and do be a fuckery. I know everybody getting them feelings and everything I drop out. That's it. Me say, Jerome, me nah go back over there. Me nah go back. What you hear me say? Me, Cassandra E. Kelly. Nah, go back on and nah, see me back over that drunker there. Cause I be a drunker over there, so nobody over there so that make sense. None of them that make sense. Me not ask you. The one of them are drunk, and it's just period. It's just the truth. It's the one of them link up in a group chat, and now them fall out. If I post the picture now, own my own live, lazy. You get me? Me own my own live. That's time I dip on my own live before I come up on my phone. My phone did end the live end. I post send me a live. When I go send a comment, I come me I go what's it called again? Me I answer one DM. I post send me a live, I go upon it with the whole excitement. I saw me reach over there. And then it just hearing a man, I talk about a woman. Me not say woman to talk about man, you know, and you know, right in the car. I tell you, so a man I grow with. So you know, right for a woman I bring down a man to fair enough, and that's it. And if a man I defend himself, I get that. But it was triggering to hear, him sit up on the phone and listen to her masturbate, but we never fuck her and them something there. So why you sit up on the phone and listen to her masturbate? And all of a sudden you have all these things to talk. Oh, they are sickening. They sick my stomach. So long it talk from yesterday morning. I don't know. Remember, you know, me I worked all day yesterday. I worked all day today. I finished work at 5 o'clock today. I didn't even take my break for sure. No, because I want to leave at 5 o'clock. I worked from 9:30 till 5 today, and 1 hour break I'm supposed to get. I'm gonna get my break because I'm gonna take my break because I'm gonna leave 5 o'clock. So I worked straight through the day. Didn't take any break. Me a munch pandemic a whole day. Whole day me a munch pandemic and drink water and drink juice because I said come home I gotta eat. So I saw when I come home, I eat. When I take my break, I take my hour break as my home time. Come on, come home. I don't want to stay till 6, you get me? Because it's supposed to be 9:30 till 6. So I don't take my break, come on, come home. And so I now follow it up. When I say them, people rub me, people put up my man picture, and I'm not interested. I'm not interested for latch on to none of them negativity. I don't know when me go over there for. Oh, these ones are like sour cream and chive. They're nice. So sour cream and onions are really nice. I say talk on my life. I know a few of my people that hear me. I say nah, go over there. And I'm not going over there under my heart. I'm not going back over there. Me not going back over there because I not make no drunker style. Because me a style and none of them not live no life because the whole of them are drunker. And Puss now. And me now allow Pussy make none of them drunk the style me and when me love her. Look how me get kind of feisty look like. Come here think look on you Pussy make them drunk I feel like me can run off them mouth. And then she can drop her shade. And when the girl them a drop them shade and she a call my phone and say Munchi and them a style me. And me a vex up myself. Pussy can't make no drunk style me because me a styler. So guess what? Munchi nah go back over there. What me say? Me nah make nobody make me come out of my comfort zone. Me hear the what you hear me talk and she play about pick distant over disrespect. Me a pick distant over blood clot disrespect. Come choose me all the time. Me now make Puss carry no straight for come style me. Cause what did them try style my cousin? Them try style John when I me attack and she play and she go like sometimes I'm a hypocrite. After she come, my cousin a real Jana, my cousin a real it man. Let me step in blood clot. It's a better me cuss her than them go find her and shoot up her full of kill the whole of the family. I'm be real blunt about it. Because he's not no idiot. My family man not a real no joke. I understand no see me cuss pan into the whole of my family and cuss me and say me shut my mouth. Cause what them want to do, them can't do. But I talk straight and blunt, but me I live peaceful. Me I live soft life. Me no want nobody do nobody nothing for me. Me no want cuss nobody. Me no want defend myself against nobody. And my fault for go over there, come go go mix up myself with drunk crow and front sellers. We just don't them not care, them not have no abiding city, them not have no pride, them not have no shame. Me wear naked clothes and go on no. But certain things in life me could have never do. So me not supposed to mix with certain drunk crow and crow bait. Cause me is that girl. So me not gonna make Puss bring her stress them because she want entertainment and because me not gonna do certain things and them will do it. Me not gonna make Puss make them the style me. Never I me could have love it to my blood clot full and I love myself more. And that me say. Me love myself more. So guess what? Me pick distance over disrespect. And me not go back over this a drunk because be a crow be a Puss. Me don't know what Puss I get them all for drunk you from. Liz, me say goodie, me a stand by myself. This is not mix up. This is not baga where I rub and everybody a laugh. Like what do you mean what's your name again? Like what me and Candy I go out with herself, I mean rub. That was rub kind of mix up that. You get me? Me no know Candy from nowhere, Candy no know me from nowhere. Me and Candy in a DM, me and Candy in the on the phone, and me and Candy in a chat. Me and Candy just come and go on and I start going pan her back and them something there and we just a rub and she a rub me and me a rub her back. And that was it. But me, nah, go over there so with them the chimney. Cause them you know some old chimney where your granny used to have. And it in the mail chimney them and then pissing at them and then throw over one corner. Them the over there saw some.
I love your topic say. When you not pay people mind to mix up, them find arts out a way if you mix, yeah? Yeah.
Let me go over there, my fault. I shouldn't go over there.
Somebody page.